Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about on how to fix Resident Evil Requiem request having no license error. Here's how to fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, if you're having this trouble, we have to go over here and type in Windows Security, click on Windows Security. Once in Windows Security, you need to go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And then go to Protection History. On Protection History, if you see your game or Resident Evil Requiem here, go ahead and click on Actions and then Allow. Next, go ahead and back out of the Virus and Threat Protection again, and then scroll down until you see Manage Settings on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down and see Add or Remove Exclusions. Now wait for a second and then go ahead and click on Add Exclusions. Now on Add Exclusions, go ahead and find your folder for your Steam right here. So Steam Library, click on Common, and then your Resident Evil Requiem select folder. Then go ahead and exit out of that, restart your PC, and try the game if it worked. Now, if that still doesn't work, go ahead and we can do the next method. The next method we can do is by going to your browser first and then type in Goldberg Emulator. Over here, just go ahead and click on the first one and then click on latest build. It will start a download. Go ahead. Once the download starts or finish, go ahead and open. You don't really have to go ahead and unzip it. You just have to open and find the two Steam API files. Go ahead and cut this and then find the folder for your Resident Evil Requiem. Go ahead and go back to your Steam library. Go ahead and do command and then put it in your Resident Evil Requiem folder, and that should fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and try the game and it should work perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.